Alright guys, so let's create an investment website with HyipRio. I find this platform very fascinating because of the design and the way it's actually organized. So let's create an investment website. Uh, let's build something like this with ease. So if you want to build an investment website, then this is a good one for you. It has multiple payment gateway and you can do it manually. So HYIP rule is actually what we're going to be using for this investment website. So we can go through all the pages and see everything on the pages, how it works. You can see everything on the pages. The about us page. You can even link your Telegram account to it. As you can see, there's Telegram here, and you have the language option here to actually add languages. So let's register to check how it works. So click on register. Let me use this. Alright, password 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, so I've created an account. Now as you can see, this is how the dashboard is. Very beautiful, as you can see. So we're going to be creating this investment website right now. Let's see, I just signed up and I got an a sign up bonus of $8 here. So here is your dashboard. See everything. You can add money, do everything you want to do here. So let's get started. Let me show you how to install this, how to create this investment website. All right, so the first thing you need is a hosting provider. So I will recommend Namecheap to you. Namecheap is actually one of the best hosting provider as of 2025. So I recommend Namecheap for you to build this kind of website. So the first thing you want to do is to click on the link in the description and actually type the link there, or click on the link in the description and come here, type the domain name you want to use for this website. So assuming this is it. What I'll do next is to click on search, and it's going to search. Now as you can see, this domain name is not available. So it's saying this domain name is not available. So I'm going to look for something to add to it. So I could say thoughinvestor.com, and it's going to tell me if it's available. I'm going to add it to cart. The next thing I want to do is to come to hosting, click on shared hosting. Now on shared hosting, I want to scroll downward and select the Stellar plan, because this is the smallest plan and it can carry all my users, because this is a simple investment website, so it can carry all my users. So I'm going to select it and click on get started. Now once you click on get started, it's going to add the domain name in your cart, telling you that domain name you choose before, or you can choose a new one, but it's going to add the one you already choose, which is this, and then you're going to have a total of $34.34. So you're going to click to add to cart. Now with Namecheap, you can pay with PayPal, you can pay with credit card, you can pay with crypto. So most of the times I use crypto because it is more preferable and untraceable, and everything is just simple. So I prefer using crypto. So you can use whatever you want to use. And all you just have to do is to confirm order. And once you click on confirm order, it will pop you to actually either log into your account or create an account. Now, if you do not have an account, all you just have to do is to click on create an account, fill this detail and create the account. Then you will be given a cPanel, or an information will be sent to your email, and from that email you can log into your cPanel. So I want to log into my cPanel, and then we'll continue for there. Now for this tutorial, I already have a website I want to use. I already have a domain name and a hosting I want to use. So I just showed you guys how to purchase it here. So now I want to continue from my own hosting. Okay, alright guys, so this is my cPanel. For yours, you'll be given this same cPanel from Namecheap. This is mine, and I'm going to show you how to install it from here. So now I'm going to scroll downward. Now I have a full tutorial on this on my YouTube channel called cPanel Mastery. So that video actually talked about everything on cPanel. You learn about cPanel, everything about cPanel. So you can watch it if you want to know about cPanel for the first time, or if you are using cPanel for the first time. But for this, I'm just going to go straight to what we are doing right now, and that is a file manager. So I'm going to open the file manager in a new tab. And on this new tab, I'm taking to my file manager. Now remember when we are at Namecheap, okay, I have to go back there and show you guys. So on hosting, shared hosting, if you can remember very well, you see that this plan can carry 3 websites. That means you can have as much as 3 different websites on this hosting. Yes, you can have as much as 3 different websites. So that is what I'm doing here. As you can see, the public underscore HTML is one website. This tutorials.com.ng is another website. So now I want to install this. Now, mind you, if you're doing this for the first time, you want to click on this public underscore HTML and upload your file here, right? But I'm not using the public underscore HTML. I'm using this one here. So I'm going to click on it and click on upload. And once I click upload, I'm going to select the file. Now the link to this file is in the description. So I think this is it. The link to this file is in the description of this video. So you just go to the description and get the link. So now this is the file. It's actually downloading, uploading. So after uploading, we continue from there by installing it. So let's give it some time to upload. Alright, so we have it uploaded. So I'm going to go back, click on it, extract it, and extract it here. So for yours, you're going to extract it on the public underscore HTML. So you do not need this. select it, and then this is the one you want to extract. Click on extract. All right, so now we have it extracted, guys. So the next thing you want to do is to go back to your cPanel. Now search for database. So now we are building a database that will manage this to the back end of our website. So search for database. Now give your database a name. So I'm going to give mine test. Now it doesn't matter the name you call your database. You can call it anything. It doesn't matter. So I'm calling mine text because I'm going to delete this later on. So this is text. Okay. I already have a name called test. So let's go back. Let me look for a new name. So maybe V3D. V3D is fine. So V3D as well. So now for the password, I want to use this as a password because it will be easier to just paste all of them together. So I'm pasting this here, and click on create user. Now once I click on create user, I'm going to allow all privilege. I'm going to click on make changes. Now that I have make changes, it has actually been saved. So I'll go back to my file manager. I'm going to right click on this env file, click on edit. Now on this edit, you're going to come here. As you can see, this is database. You're going to replace this 50. You remove the 50. So you want to come here as well, replace the root and replace the password. Now once you're done with that, you want to put your domain name here. So my domain name, this is my domain name. So I want to put it here. So I want to use it to replace localhost, and I want to save. So click on save changes once you're done. Now the next thing is to go to a new tab, enter your domain name slash install and click on it. And it's going to take you through this server requirement step. Now this is the installation step for this HyipRio version. So this is actually the recent version, and it's actually good. So the next thing you should do is to click on next. So on this page, you want to enter your license code. So after you enter your license code, which we are going to give you the link to get the license code and everything is in the description. So you click on next step. Now everything here, because we have updated it in the public underscore HTML, sorry, the env file, sorry, that file we edited, which is this file, we have updated it here. That is why we have it here. So you click on import database, and then it's going to import automatically. So you import database for admin as well, and then for admin, it's just going to give your admin, use an email for your admin. So I'm going to use this, and for password, so let me do 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So 1 to 9 is actually fine, and then I'm actually done. So calling this 1 to 9. Now you could go to the admin side, you could go to the user side, you could go to the landing page. It's up to you. So I want to go to the admin and log into the admin and show you how to set some other things. So VT design tech. So this is the email I used, and 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Then I'm going to log into the admin, and this is my admin panel, as you can see. Now I love this platform for many reasons, many reasons. So I love this platform for many reasons, and that includes the ability to actually manage user and also the payment gateways and all that. Anyway, let's go to themes. First of all, we want to set themes to the reset theme. Now we have different kind of theme here. Sorry, not staff. Not admin. I made a mistake. So theme, site theme. Now we can choose. This is the current one. We can choose this one, which I showed you guys at the beginning of this video. You can choose this one, depending on your how do I call it now? on how you choose your site to look. So that is how I want my site to look, and you can customize with your own team here if you are a developer that understand what you're doing. So on this right side, sorry, on the left side, you have your customers. This is where you see all the customers that actually register on your platform. You have your users. You can disable a customer. You can send notification to all users. You can send mail to everybody. Now this is the KYC, and KYC is actually a form of know your customer, where your customer has to send their ID card and document for you to verify them on your platform. Now you have managed roles, you have managed staffs, you have managed scheme. So schema, sorry, this has to do with schedule. You can set schedules and plan. This is payment plan on your platform. So you can set them up: starter plan, standard plan, advanced plan, pro plan. You also have your transaction and investments and users profit. Also, you have your payment gateway, the automatic payment gateway, which is this. You can set up PayPal, Stripe, Molly, Perfect Money, Coinbase, Paystack, Vogue, Flutterwave, CoinGate. In fact, these are all the payment systems that are available. So you could do that, and you can see manual payment as well. You can add your manual payment, add your direct crypto address or your bank details here, and you'll be fine. So as well as the site settings, you want to come here and give your site the logo you want. So this is where you give your site the logo you choose. This is your site currency. Choose whatever currency you are using. Your symbol, your referral code limit. So how long do you want your referral code to be? Your homepage, you want people to visit your website, they just go to the login page directly, or they should go to the homepage. This is where you give your site a title. This is where you set up your email, which email do you want to use for arranging the site. Now on the other side, you have to email verification. You can turn this on if you set up your SMTP properly, or you can leave it off. KYC verification, you can turn it on and off. 2FA, you can turn it on and off. Account creation, enable. So you have to go through each and every one of these settings perfectly to be able to understand it. So you also have your email settings. This is where you set the SMTP of your website. So just follow what they have here, and you are good. So you also have your plugins where you can add to the website. This is Talk Chat. This is Google Recapture. This is Google Analytics, and this is Facebook Messenger. So you have them. You also have SMS and notification setting. So I think this is all for this website, and everything else is actually okay. If you ask me, everything is okay, and I would recommend this to be an investment website. So thank you for watching this video, guys. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button